Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen Arts and Crafts. So how are you, my Evergreen family? It's been almost a year. I was busy with my Instagram shop. I sell online handmade jewelry and stuff. So if you haven't checked that out, don't forget to go to the description box and visit my Instagram. It's been almost a year I haven't posted video regarding DIYs or crochet, jewelry, anything, and I was getting so many comments on my previous videos that you should make more crochet videos, jewelry videos, and resin videos, or sewing videos. I even forgot that how many even I did post. So today I bring the tutorial for how can you make these amazing bracelets with the memory wire, using a memory wire. And these are the single ones, like a single stands ones, and you can go ahead and make the wrapped one. You can go ahead and wrap around your wrist, and these looks really nice. But this was a really nice idea which I was thinking, and I made one. For this one I have used a size 6mm crystals and a thicker version of a chain. Let me, like, this chain is thicker and the beads, the crystals are 6mm, and same here you can see the crystals are 6mm, but the chain is thin than this one. So it's up to you whatever kind of a chain you wanted to use. For this tutorial you will need a memory wire. This one here I made a simple basic one with the 2mm crystals, and I made a ring also. If you wanted to know how did I make this ring, you can go ahead and comment on the comment box down below. I am going to post a tutorial on that as well. So this is how the simple one looks like, really elegant and really beautiful. For the tutorial you will need some clasp locks, you will need some jump rings, obviously a memory wire. This is what the memory wire is. There is two different types of memory wire available, in silver and in gold. I have both of these, but I'm going to use a silver one for this tutorial. So the chain I'm using is the black one I have, and this one is even the thicker than the silver one. And I'm using a 6mm gray crystals, and this color is really beautiful, will go along with this black chain. The pliers you will need is this bended one, then you will need your obviously a nose plier, and you will need the thick cutter, because normally we use this one right here, this one, but it's really will not work on memory wire, so you will need a thick cutter for this one. Okay, now you have to take your memory wire. If you wanted to make a single one, which I am showing in the video, just take your memory wire. Okay, so I need to find this starting point, there it is. You have to take your hand and then insert it into the memory wire. Now, as you can see that I am going to cut right here. Make sure it fits your hand, because we are going to add the jump ring and clasp lock. So make sure it fit properly, because we are going to make a loop here. Right there. So there is my memory wire. Now I'm going to make a loop on the one side, and it's, as you can see, that it's overlapping each other when I cut them. This is how you have to cut. Now take your nose plier. Let me zoom in and focus. Perfect. Okay. Now take your nose plier and onto the opposite side, take your memory wire, bend it to the other side, like facing other side, like that, and then rotate it back and make a loop. Memory wire is a little bit stubborn. I mean, it can damage your loop and can make a little bit damages, but here comes your bending one. Okay, like that. And now we are going to cut a little bit after making this loop. As you can see, it's overlapping. Now we are going to cut a small part right there. Perfect. So this is how it should look like. Okay. Okay, now we are going to start adding the beads. I am adding 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. After adding 4 of these beads or crystals, whatever you're using, take your chain, insert in the chain. Now 4 more beads. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After adding 4 more beads, we are going to count the chains, and we can add how many you wanted. If you wanted to make a bigger loops, you can add 20 chains or whatever, but I am going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Into the 10th one, insert your memory wire and bring it in, and there you go. There is your first loop. I think I like this loop, or I think I should go ahead and make a 9 chains because the 10 are looking really not good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, perfect. Now add 4 more beads and keep doing it. Add 4 more beads. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then again 9 chains. You have to count 9 chains. Don't count the one already inside of this loop. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Into the 9th one, just put your wire in and drop, and there you can see this is how it's going to look like. I'm going to fill this here, and at the end I'm going to teach you what you have to do. Okay, so here you can see I've done all the loops and my final loop right here, and then we are going to cut the rest of the chains. And make sure you use the thicker cutter if your chain is thick. And the last set of 4 crystals will go in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you don't have the space of the crystals and you have the space for 3 crystals, just add 3, doesn't matter. And then at the end, grab your nose plier. So there it is. Now you have to rotate this outer towards outer side, and then bend and make a loop. Nice and perfect. Okay, so this is how it came out. It looks really nice. It's smart to me. I don't know about you guys. Do comment me on a comment box down below that which one do you like the most. So this is the combination of gray and black you can make. Now here we are going to add a lock, which is the clasp lock. Right here, take your jump ring. My camera is making a little bit of noise. I don't know why am I speaking in the accent of French or Spanish. Okay, now close, and we have to add the jump rings towards here. It's totally up to you how many you wanted to add. You can add just a one ring if your size is perfect. If you accidentally cut it a little bit shorter, you can add more jump rings at the end. I just dropped my plier, and then I add the one right now, but if I am going to need later, I'm going to add more. So there is your chain, your bracelet with chain on memory wire, and do let me know which one do you like the most. So I have made the 3 of these, and hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for holding on, guys, for like 1 year. None of you just unsubscribe my channel. I'm so happy for it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. Take care, everyone, and do let me know what kind of videos you want me to make. Bye.